Good morning, all of you. So today's topic is advertisement. This topic belongs to class 11th and 12th. Before telling about rest of the thing about advertisement, let me clear you what is advertisement. Advertisement is a type of public announcement for the promotion of services, goods, etc. and also for the giving information about missing persons also. Because the target of advertisement is to attract a large number of people through print or electronic medium with the help of newspaper, magazine, TVs, radios, etc. But the advertisement what we are going to talk should be in brief because we are having word limit in such type of advertisement. Let's continue. In short, I told you that advertisement is a public announcement to promote goods and services. Advertisement can be classified or can be in two different types. The first one is classified advertisement and second one is display or commercial advertisement. To continue with classified advertisement, which is in your topic, classified advertisement can be written in magazine or newspaper. The purpose of such type of advertisement is to promote or to advertise for goods and services. According to time and space, such type of advertisement got changed. In newspaper or magazine, you will see the advertisement can have a different because depends on space. So it can be in different shape. About word limit, the word limit could be 50, not exceed or not more than 50 words. Second, display commercial. You can understand with its name. Commercial, it means the purpose is to commercialize the product. So, the second one is display and also known as commercial advertisement. This can be seen in the form of banner, logos, animations, videos, photographs or graphics. Because the purpose of display and commercial advertisement is to augment or to enhance the ads effect. So you can see that such type of advertisement can be assembled with poster or it looks like poster. Now the categories of classified advertisement. The first one. There are 4 different categories of classified advertisement where we can write or where we can give our advertisement. Again, to remind you that these categories also will be written in magazine and newspaper. So the first category is situation vacant, where we are talking or where we will talk about vacancy and job. Second, too late. Second category of classified advertisement is too late column. Third is sale or purchase, where the column is used to advertise about property or vehicle. And fourth column is about tours and travels, where we will talk about travel agency or tour agency. To continue with the first topic, as I told you that 4 different columns are there or categories are there where we can write our advertisement. Now the first one is situation vacant. Situation vacant will, now in situation vacant, first wanted or required word will be written. Let me clear you, advertisement will be written inside box. Box is also one of the important part. So most of the advertisement will be written in box only. Whenever you are going to write in the column of situation vacant, first wanted or required word, wanted or required word, any single word will be written in starting. Next, after writing, yes, this will be in capital only. So after writing wanted or required word, next name of the post will be mentioned. That post name you have to write. Number of the post next will be mentioned, and then qualification required for the post. What are the qualification or what degrees will be there? Who are the people who can be eligible for the post? Such qualification you have to mention in your advertisement. Next, preferences related to choice. So whatever choice from your side or what preferences is there, that you have to mention. Next, the important part, that is salary. Salary will be better if you will write negotiable. Otherwise, if you want to mention, then better to mention in digit. For example, if you are there to write about salary, mention it like 5-digit, salary required, 8-digit, 6-digit. In this, no need to write the proper salary or the accurate salary. So two things I told you about salary column. Write down negotiable, or if you want to give some hint, then mention digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, 8-digit, whatever. Next, the important column, to whom and how to apply. It means proper address, proper contact number, or how the person have to apply through the email, or they have to fill the form. That information could be given in proper manner. Now second one is too late. As I told you, too late, it means we are talking about property. So what type of accommodation is there? That type of accommodation we have to write first. Then size and location of the accommodation. What is the size of that property or flat? What about location also? Then facilities, what are provided in that accommodation. Again, preferences, if any choice is there. If you want, for example, like a house is there and there we required a family, only family will be there to be as a renter. So preferences, it means if any choice from your side or from owner side is there, that you can mention in advertisement. As it is contact address including phone number. So these are the important things which you have to mention, and each and everything will be inside box. Keep this in your mind. Now the third topic of advertisement is sale or purchase. As I told you, sale or purchase, it means we are talking about property or vehicle. Okay, so if you are going to sell or if you are going to purchase property or vehicle, then we have to continue with the column of sale and purchase. Our advertisement will be written in the column of sale and purchase. Now what you have to write in that content? First, box will be there again. Now inside box you will write available for sale. This word will be written. Now next, depends on you. If you are going to sell, then available for sale. If you are going to purchase something, then you will announce that available to purchase. Okay, so depends on. This word will be written, then whatever the column or what you are going to do, purchase or sale. Next, if property, it means if we are talking about accommodation, then first, what are the things which we have to write in our content? Description of accommodation, it means about size, then location and facilities, what it is provided in accommodation. Clear? But if we are talking about vehicle, then the content will little bit change. We will talk about model. You have to write about model. Which model vehicle is there? What is the color of that vehicle? Related different accessories, other parts or other extra things which we want for our vehicle, and condition, mileage, etc. Clear? So two different things are there. If we are talking about sale or if we are talking about purchase, so both the things will be related to your property or vehicle. If you are talking about property, it means you have to write about size, location and facilities. And if you are going to talk about vehicle, or if you are giving your advertisement for vehicle, then model of that vehicle, which model is that, color of that vehicle, accessories and condition, that is mileage or average, you have to mention. Next, the fourth topic. Fourth column is tours and travels. Now here tours and travels, it means we are talking about some of the tours what we are going to organize or somewhere we are going to visit. So in this column, two things are important. First, about destination and duration. Destination here refers the places what you are going to cover, and duration, it means how much days time will take place to continue or to finish that tour, or wherever you are going, how many days it will take. So first, places you have to highlight. It means places you have to write where the tour or the travel, what are the places which you are going to cover, how many days it will take. Details of facilities. Now details of facilities belongs to where to stay, what will be the boarding facility, how or where, the food facility. It means everything depends related to your facilities will be written, that how tours and travel agencies are there to provide such type of facilities to their customer. Now cost, if any discount is there, that also you will mention, that what cost they have to pay, what will be the cost, or if any discount, that discount process should be mentioned. Package, you know, package, it means a small amount or a particular amount we have to give. In that, each and everything related to facilities, each and everything will be included. So if any package system is there, that also you can ask or you can write. Now travel agency will write his address with phone number. So tours and travel is the fourth column of our classified advertisement, where places and duration, it means the places what you are going to cover and how many days or time it will take, both should mention. Details of the facilities what the tours and travel agency are going to provide their customers should be written. Cost, if any discount is there, that you will mention. Package, if it is there, that you have to mention. And then travel agency will mention his address with phone number in that advertisement. Now the four column what I made you understand will be in this format. You have to follow this format. Now the format, you can see that I made a box is there, and just on the top of the box I wrote about column. Now the advertisement what I had mentioned is in situation vacant. Okay, situation vacant, or you can mention it in too late. Clear? Situation vacant or wanted, both things can be there. So here you will mention about column, and the column is wanted, or you can write too late. Okay, as I told you, the first word, wanted word, in capital letter will be written. After writing column, you have to skip a line, leave a line. Then whatever facilities you required, for example, wanted word first I had written, which is in capital. 2 BHK, newly constructed, furnished, east facing, ventilated, preferable. Preference word was there. So what is the preference from my side? That I want ground floor, which should be in North Delhi. So that preferable or that preference I have written. So what is preferable? Ground floor in North Delhi. should have regular water and electricity supply, covered parking space and lift. So this is a part of advertisement. In a very brief manner, the word limit again is 50. You have to write. This 4 column will be followed by the same situation. And at last, contact number with name, and then contact number, contact address and contact number will be there. So this is the format of your. Okay, now thank you.